Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. As you know, we do a lot of educational videos, put a lot of information out there for would-be clients and the public in general. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to our channel. There's a lot of interesting stuff out there that may be helpful for you. Today I want to talk about fathers' do's and don'ts in the divorce. I want to focus on fathers because it's interesting in my experience how there are certain things that fathers seem to do, which are things that they shouldn't, and there are things that mothers seem to do, which are things that they shouldn't. Focusing on fathers, one of the things that you see a lot of the fathers do is somehow there's a gender thing going on with respect to earning money and assets. A lot of times you'll see fathers in a divorce try to hide those assets on the theory that they support the children, they brought home all the money, therefore they get to hide everything and it should all go to them, mom should get nothing. Why? Because she didn't do anything to earn it. So goes the mantra. Dads, I got to tell you, it's not the approach. It's not what you should do. That's a definite don't in family law. Because in family law, the court's going to look at, are you being above board? Are you being transparent? The minute you try to hide something because you think you're entitled, the word entitled means that there's a ruling. Entitlements are determined by the guy who wears the black robe. When you do something because you feel you're entitled, that's your way of saying, I'm the judge. And guess what? In your divorce case, you are many things, but you are not the judge. And when the judge thinks you're trying to take over his role, things tend to go bad for a person. So let's not do that. Let's not secret away any money. Let's be transparent about everything that we're doing. And it could also impact the kids. What you should be doing, what does a divorce do, is you should be spending as much time with your children. You should be active in their life with respect to school and activities. Don't be a Johnny-come-lately onto the scene and expect the court to buy into it. If you're actively involved in the lives of your children, you've been all the way along, you should continue to do so. If you haven't, you should at least start to do so. Try to explain to the court that you haven't been the greatest father because you've been occupied by work, but now you're making an effort and you've done A, B, C, and D. It's not about what you say, it's about what you do. I have a lot of clients who will say, well, this person never did anything during the marriage. Now all of a sudden we're getting divorced. He or she's becoming mother or father of the year. It is a divorce don't because it does look contrived, but you got to remember, sometimes the court will say, all right, she wasn't the greatest mom, but she's making the effort now. Even if it's phony, as long as she maintains it and tries to become the best mother, as long as he tries to be a good father, the court's going to give you a chance. But you know what? If it's not sincere, if you're just trying to act like a good father so you can get a lot of parenting time to lower the support, the court's going to realize it real quick. The plan's going to blow up in your face. So what's a divorce do for fathers? Be sincere. If there are shortcomings in your parenting style before, don't deny it, own up to it, but say that you're going to correct it and do correct it. That's a divorce do. With respect to assets, a divorce don't try to just take everything yourself and hide a bunch of stuff. Be transparent. That's a divorce do. Be transparent about it. Be above board. Your general approach should be, Judge, ask me whatever you want. I got nothing to hide. Ask me anything about anything. Question me about how I've dealt with the money or the children or my wife. I'm an open book. If you approach things in good faith with a transparent attitude, you will certainly have a better chance of faring better in your ultimate divorce. If you approach things with a closed attitude, with an evasive attitude, in bad faith, odds are things are not going to work out like you planned. So this is a results-oriented system. If the goal that you're trying to achieve is fair time with your children, a fair display of assets, a fair sharing of the liabilities, this is the approach you got to take. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and of course, we'll be glad to guide you and help you out.